Hello, and thanks for taking the time to check out Viral Angels private equity club today. My name's Chris Dwyer. I'm a Viral Angels member. I'm not a director of the company. In fact, I'm a retired financial advisor. And the reason I'm introducing people to Viral Angels is quite simply because I believe it's the best way to increase your wealth I've seen in probably the last 10, if not 20 years. Property, I've always invested in property myself. I think it's a fantastic thing to be part of, to invest in, but that's becoming harder for everybody to get into because property is becoming dearer, and it's, a lot of people that just can't afford it. So to create wealth initially, in order for you to invest in things like property, or maybe get the deposit quicker to buy your own house, Viral Angels would be a fantastic way for you to try and achieve that. If I were advising my clients today, Viral Angels would definitely be on the conversation topic list, and I'd probably encourage them to become members, because I'd only recommend something that would basically be paying into myself, and for me it's a complete no-brainer. So Viral Angels is a credit union. We've been operating since 2012. It's a private equity club, and as it says there, we operate in 17 countries, and we have members in around 70 plus countries. The main office is in Sweden, and the currency that we deal in is euros. So what do Viral Angels do? Well, the stock market is by far the best way to make money if you know what you're doing. Okay, I haven't got the time nor the inclination to get involved in that. It takes a lot of time and effort, but the best way to actually invest in companies is before they go on the stock market. So basically, Viral Angels takes a strong stock holding in the company. We increase the numbers of shares within that company, and we help the companies raise capital and assist with marketing, with the overall aim of getting them ready to go on the global stock markets and become listed PLC companies. We take, like I say, a strong shareholding in the property, in the company rather. Viral Angels keeps 80%. Viral Angels allocates 80% of that to its members and retains 20% for future work. So, what do you get? Well, basically, we get weekly allocations from the company of shares in companies. We become shareholders in hand-picked promising companies before they're listed. You don't need large sums of money to be part of Viral Angels. As you will see, I will show you how you can invest monthly affordable sums. And with the only other companies I know that do this sort of thing, you normally have to part with a large capital sum, at least £25,000 if not more, and you can't get your money back until the company that you invested in becomes a PLC and you can sell the shares. That doesn't happen with Viral Angels. You can sell your shares basically the next day if you wanted to via the Viral Angels share platform, which I'll explain a little bit more about as well. So, membership. There are basically 8 membership levels, and you can choose which one you want to join at. We always encourage people to join at a minimum of gold, €89 a month. You can suspend your payments, you can go up, you can go down, you can stop your payments. You can do basically what you want. There is no lock-in at all. You're allocated the shares. Once the shares are allocated to you, they are yours. And as I said before, we have a unique way that you can actually sell the shares before the company becomes a listed PLC company. With each different level of membership, the more money you pay and the more shares you get, and there are also other bonuses of increased share allocations and bonuses with each membership level. So you get weekly allocation shares. As I said, every Wednesday evening the company allocates shares in companies. So on a Thursday morning you can check out to see what shares you've got. You'll be sent an email telling you what you've got, but you can go into the back office system, which you'll have access to, and you will be able to see what shareholdings you've got. With the back office system as well, you will be able to access the education and training section, so you can learn more about Viral Angels and basically the stock market and what we do. Also there you can access your personal account, where you can see what shares you've got, how much they're worth, and what you're willing to, if you want to sell them, you can go onto the VA trading platform and sell your shares. You sell your shares to other members, And in order to, once you've sold your shares, if you want to take the money out, you can then take it out through a prepaid card via T24 Black, a Visa prepayment card, or you can choose to send the money direct to an account of your choice. So why are we better? Why is Viral Angels better? Well, for me, again, these are all the pros for me, because I haven't got the time or the inclination to sit there and go through all the paperwork and do all the due diligence on these companies, and I wouldn't have the confidence nor the experience to say yes, this is a good company. So that's a hard way of doing it, and Viral Angels basically do all of that for us for an affordable monthly fee, and we can even sell the shares before they become a listed company, which is a big bonus if you need to get your hands on some cash quickly. So trade with Viral Angels is basically a unique way of buying and selling the shares within the membership. There's no fees for doing that, and you can do it anytime and transfer the money into your bank, usually within 2 or 3 days. Also, we get paid additional bonuses, but again, you can do as much or as little as you want with Viral Angels, but we get paid bonuses on a number of things, but specifically just one I just want to share with you. And if you want to find out about more and more of the bonuses, by all means give me a call. But just one I want to share with you is Viral Angels doesn't advertise. It doesn't spend millions of pounds of our membership money telling people how great we are. We'd rather use that money to invest in more companies, because that's where we will make our money. Is the real money is when companies list. And so we encourage the membership, or we encourage as members to actually tell our friends, family and people we know about this great club. And if they become members and pay their fees, we get paid a thank you bonus directly into our account every time they pay their monthly fee. So for instance, if you're a member paying £145 a month, the person that introduced you will get paid a €15 bonus, not pounds, sorry, €15 bonus, and that also gets paid on a little bit more. So if somebody if a friend of yours that you introduced to the club introduced somebody else, then you get paid a little bit more as well, and that goes down 5 levels basically. So you can get introduced, you could end up having people in different parts of the world that were introduced by a friend of a friend, and you get paid a little bit of a thank you for that. But that is only just one bonus. There are a number of other bonuses within Viral Angels membership, but that's for another presentation. If you want to contact me, my name is Chris Dwyer. These are the best numbers to contact me on. If you want to find out more about the club itself and look in the back office, if you just go onto that website, you'll find a free link on that page that will just let you go straight into the Viral Angels Club, and you sign up for free. All you need to do is put in your email address and select a password, and then you can find out in the back office as much about the company as you want. And then when you want to become a member by paying in a monthly fee, the monthly membership of your choice, you simply go into that section and pay your monthly fee, and it all starts to happen automatically for you. You're sent a number of emails which will tell you all about the club and give you the latest news, etc. Also on this page on the right hand side, as you look at it, if you're looking at it from my website, you will see a number of links there. One is that direct link into the back office where you can sign up for free. The second basically is an option where you can put in your email and your name, and I will send you more information about things like live webinars. We have one every Sunday night in the UK at 8 o'clock, lasts about an hour, and you're able to ask your questions and get them answered live via that webinar. It is a live webinar. Plus we also have occasional meetings where normally in London, where you can actually come along and spend the day or the afternoon with Viral Angel members, and as members we get to meet the directors of the companies that we directly invest in and are shareholders of. So basically, Viral Angels, in my opinion, is a fantastic club. You need to make your own decision as regards to whether you become a member, but please do your own due diligence. This is an opportunity that I would hate anyone to miss. Certainly give it a try. In my opinion, you're talking about a few €100 in total, then it's such a small sum of money. even if the worst thing happened, you'd only lose a few €100. But I don't see that happening personally. That's why I'm investing my money in every month. And don't forget, there are more millionaires made every year from companies floating on the stock market than by any other means. And we will have access to up and coming companies that we will have never heard of until they go listed. So thanks for your time. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me today, and by all means contact me on the numbers that I've shown you. Thank you very much.